They are fighting. They are fighting. He is looking at the book. He is looking at the book. He is drinking milk. He is drinking milk. They are playing. They are playing. They are playing handball. They are playing handball. The paper airplane is flying. The paper airplane is flying. The train is coming. The train is coming. It is snowing. It is snowing. He is running very fast. He is running very fast. She is wiping the table. She is wiping the table. She is washing the clothes. She is washing the clothes.